Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing variables. Plug your PC or console into Ethernet and disable Wi-Fi. Run a quick speed and ping test to get a baseline so you know the problem scope. Next, update router firmware and enable basic Co-S prioritization for Rainbow 6. Close bandwidth hogs like cloud sync and streaming apps. Once done, reboot your modem and router, then run another ping to confirm the baseline shifted. This tells you if fixes are effective, or if you continue deeper. You now tackle config details that actually reduce jitter. Assign a static IP and forward Rainbow 6 ports so packets take a clear path. Disable SIP ALG and other packet manglers that induce reorders. Tune MTU between 1472 and 1500 to avoid fragmentation, and enable DSCP markings to keep game packets prioritized through Co-S. If you see spikes on traceroute, contact ISP about routing or test a low-latency gaming VPN. Make changes one at a time and measure how jitter responds. Finish at the client, switch to performance mode and cap FPS to reduce frame-to-tick mismatch that can feel like latency. Lower in-game interpolation and buffer size, and set the update rate to match your connection. This reduces perceived jitter. Test with a different router or switch to isolate hardware faults. If issues persist, collect ping plots and game logs, then escalate to your ISP or replace failing hardware. One key tip: when troubleshooting, change only one variable at a time to identify the true cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.